Best deals. 1. Pressure cooker. Its efficient pressure regulating system and unique long-lasting gasket ensure perfect, even cooking every time. Ideal for a variety of dishes like pulao, paella, stews, risotto, and soups. Compatible with gas, induction, ceramic, electric, and halogen cooktops, this pressure cooker is designed for modern kitchens and hassle-free cooking. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Dokla maker. The round idli plates come with multiple compartments, allowing you to prepare several idlis or doklas at once. Ideal for large families or those who love to meal prep, this feature enhances the efficiency of your cooking process. The individual trays of the stainless steel idli maker can be easily removed, simplifying the cleaning process. Enjoy consistent and delicious results with each use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Container. Made from high-quality polished stainless steel, the container is sturdy, rust-resistant, and features an elegant design with deep silver lines. Suitable for storing bulk quantities of food or essentials, designed with an seal, this container keeps food fresh and safe from moisture, pests, and contamination. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Molds. This stainless steel mold for idli and baking is made with high-quality and durable stainless steel material. The material of this mold is rust-free and does not tarnish with passage of time. These round baking and steaming molds are easy to clean, which can be cleaned conveniently in dishwasher or hand washing. These food molds are ideal choice for baking cupcakes, muffins, ice and cottage pies. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Strainer. Lock and pour lid lets you safely drain hot water without a separate colander, ideal for pasta, noodles, rice, Maggi and vegetables. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Garlic crusher. Crushed pieces are held in the curved design, allowing them to be spooned or scraped conveniently into a pan or bowl. Easy to use, apply downward pressure and rock crusher over garlic, is easy to clean under running water but is also dishwasher safe. Crushed pieces are then held in the curved design, allowing them to be spooned easily. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Casserole. Perfect size for biryanis, curries, dals, and family-style dishes, versatile for everyday and festive cooking. Traditional belly-shaped body ensures better heat circulation and adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. 3-layer build provides uniform heating with 0 hot spots. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Container. Smartly designed stackable container that lets you store multiple snacks separately in one compact unit. Each stacked layer has a secure airtight seal to keep food fresh, crisp, and moisture-free. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Steamer. Ensures uniform heat distribution and retains the authentic taste of South Indian idlis. The dual-tier design allows you to steam multiple batches at once, saving both time and energy. Equipped with an encapsulated sandwich base. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Container. The see-through design allows you to quickly identify contents without opening the container, saving your time and reducing mess in your kitchen. This multipurpose container is not just for pulses, it's perfect for storing biscuits, rice, snacks, and even savory namkeen, adding organizational elegance to your kitchen. The compact, sleek form fits easily into cupboards and on shelves. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Popsicle mold. Is made of non-stick material, which makes the mold easy to clean and safe for the dishwasher. Multiple slots enable the creation of a variety of frozen treats such as kulfi, popsicles, and other custom desserts. Equipped with handles for a comfortable grip and easy maneuvering while enjoying homemade ice creams or popsicles. This silicone popsicle molds for kids is made of food-grade silicone, 100% BPA-free, temperature range from -40 to 230 degrees Celsius, safe to use in oven and fridge conditions. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Tadka pan. Is designed for preparing tadka, quick heating of flavorful spices and is also useful for melting butter or reheating small quantities of food. The extra thickness of the pans helps you cook without burning with minimal heat control. These pans conduct heat quickly and evenly, so high heat is rarely necessary. The sturdy stainless steel handles are stay cool and comfortable. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Paneer Maker Mold. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the Paneer Maker ensures durability, hygiene, and rust resistance for long-term use in every Indian kitchen. Perfectly sized at 500 milliliters, this round paneer press is ideal for small to medium families to make fresh paneer at home without any hassle or mess. Make soft and fresh paneer at home. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Tongs are designed with a secure grips, featuring cute palm-shaped tips, ensuring a secure clamping when handling food. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Glass bottle. Each airtight glass bottle is equipped with a durable rubber seal and a secure flip cap glass bottle closure to keep beverages fresh and prevent spills. Also serves as an airtight glass bottle solution for long-term storage. Made from thick, reusable glass, each 250 ml glass bottle is shatter-resistant and eco-friendly. These glass bottles offer both elegance and strength for long-lasting use. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Shelf. Can be used to organize almost all of your bathroom accessories like shampoo, shower gel, lotion and other toiletries. Can be a perfect shower caddy with no effect of water on the product or adhesiveness of sticker. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. This bathroom storage rack has high load-bearing capacity. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Water dispenser. With this long-lasting battery, you can trust that the pump will reliably serve your water dispensing needs, reducing the hassle of frequent recharging. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Containers. Optimize your kitchen storage with our under-shelf containers, turning unused space into valuable storage. The hanging design keeps your countertop clutter-free and organized. Airtight lids ensure your grains, pulses, and other dry foods stay fresh, moisture-proof, and free from dust. Perfect for keeping your pantry essentials in optimal condition. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cookware. Crafted for both cooking and serving, the bowl boasts a 3 mm thick base and sides, ensuring even heat distribution and prolonged warmth retention. From pulao and biryani to vegetables, dals, soups, stews, curries, and desserts, this versatile bowl caters to a myriad of dishes. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Square mop. Keeps clean and dirty water in separate chambers, ensuring every mop uses only fresh water. Never mop with dirty water again. Cleaning essentials are designed for maximum flexibility. It easily reaches under furniture, along edges, and into corners for complete, dust-free cleaning. The scraping teeth on the bucket easily remove hair and debris from the mop, eliminating the need to clean dirt with your hands. The highly absorbent microfiber mop head efficiently captures dust, dirt, and hairs, perfect for pet owners and busy households. High-speed spinning action removes excess water quickly, allowing you to control the mop's moisture level for effective and customized cleaning. Equipped with an injection port for easy water or detergent refill, and an outlet for quick, mess-free drainage, no more handling dirty water. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Vegetable chopper. This cordless vegetable chopper can chop, mince, puree, and whisk with its stainless steel blades, making it perfect for various cooking tasks. It features a 400 ml glass bowl and comes with 3200 ml mini bowls with a mini chopping blade, making it convenient for small chopping jobs. The one-touch operation and anti-skid pad ensure effortless and safe use. The chopper is USB rechargeable, eliminating the need for batteries. It includes a garlic peeler, making the process of peeling garlic cloves quick and easy. One-touch operation slices herbs, dry fruits evenly in seconds. Powerful motor makes chutney deep maker, salad salsa chopper, or baby food effortlessly, perfect for homemakers needing quick prep in limited spaces. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Kadhai with glass lid is a kitchen essential crafted for optimal performance. Its heavy gauge 3.25 mm thick high-grade aluminum ensures uniform heat distribution, preventing burning and sticking. The robust 2.5 mm thick stainless steel handle brackets guarantee a secure grip that won't loosen over time. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Kettle. This innovative kettle is more than just a kettle. With a range of cooking modes. Boil water or milk for baby food or senior citizen, prepare tea, coffee, soups, stews and any liquid food with ease, all in one compact appliance. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Vacuum cleaner. Comes with rechargeable 2000 mAh battery and 3 adjustable suction modes, low, medium, high. Provides powerful suction up to 45 minutes in lowest mode, up to 8 minutes in highest suction mode and up to 20 minutes in medium suction mode. Recharging time up to 5 hours. The motorized multi-flow rolling brush effectively works on hard floor or carpet to remove dry embedded dust, pet hair or food crumbs. 0.5-liter bagless dust collecting bin is designed for hygienic removing and emptying with one hand. Flexible head which can be moved up to 270 degrees for easy maneuverability. Vacuum cleaner which can be converted from a simple handheld to a stick vacuum cleaner for easy using on wide range of cleaning purposes. The filter traps 99.99% of particles, dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. Includes main unit, 2-in-1 bristle brush, motorized brush, mattress brush, crevice nozzle, tube, sponge filter, wall bracket, screws. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Glass teapot. Beyond its durability, borosilicate glass is prized for its absolute clarity and unearthness. It is entirely free of BPA, lead, and other harmful chemicals, ensuring that your tea retains its pure, unadulterated flavor. The transparent body turns the brewing process into a visual spectacle. You can watch as tightly rolled oolong leaves unfurl, delicate white tea tips dance in the water, or the vibrant hues of hibiscus and chamomile bloom in the chamber. This visual feedback is invaluable for determining the exact moment your tea has reached the perfect strength. The 760 ml capacity of this teapot hits the sweet spot for both individual and small group use. It is large enough to yield several cups, making it ideal for a productive afternoon at the office or a relaxed weekend morning at home. It divides the 760 ml capacity into a 310 ml steeping chamber and a 450 ml serving chamber. This separation is crucial for loose leaf tea. When tea leaves are left to steep indefinitely, they release tannins, resulting in a bitter, astringent brew. With the dual chamber system, you can steep the leaves to perfection in the upper chamber and, once the ideal flavor profile is achieved, separate the liquid from the leaves. This ensures that every single cup poured from the serving chamber has the exact same, flawless taste, whether it is the first or the last. With the one-touch magnetic filtration system, the steeping process is entirely controlled without the need to lift or remove the basket during the critical brewing phase. When your tea is ready, a simple press of a button or a magnetic release mechanism allows the brewed tea to flow seamlessly from the steeping chamber into the lower serving chamber. The leaves are instantly and cleanly separated from the liquid. This elegant water separation technology guarantees a residue-free cup, capturing even the smallest tea dust particles without impeding the smooth flow of your beverage. This teapot comes equipped with a premium food-grade 304 stainless steel infuser. Stainless steel is the gold standard for tea infusers because it is completely rust-resistant, non-porous, and will not absorb the odors or flavors of previous brews. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Espresso machine is your all-in-one solution that can accommodate coffee capsules such as Nespresso capsules from Nestlé, Lavazza, Coffeeza, and coffee powder. It's like you have two coffee machines at the same time. Explore a variety of coffee options to suit your mood and cravings. Experience the magic of 20-bar high-pressure brewing that guarantees rich, flavorful coffee with a luscious creamer layer, ensuring every sip is a delight for your taste buds. Brews your favorite coffee in just 25 seconds. One Touch Brewing blends simplicity and perfection, perfect for busy mornings or on-the-go coffee lover. No fuss, fresh coffee at your fingertips. Simplicity meets perfection with One Touch Brewing. No fuss, just fresh coffee at your fingertips. Enjoy a healthier lifestyle with the ability to make iced Americanos. Savor a refreshing and nutritious cold coffee whenever you like, adding a dash of wellness to your routine. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Sewing Machine. Reverse stitch allows for backward stitching to reinforce seams or correct mistakes. Zigzag stitching capability provides efficient options for different fabrics and diverse designs, enhancing your sewing versatility. Transform your projects with an embroidery machine that offers the ability to add unique and intricate designs, adding a personalized touch to every creation. Benefit from a selection of 12 stitch patterns and catering to a wide range of sewing projects and ensuring you have the right stitch for every task. Enjoy practicality with adjustable straight stitch and reverse sewing, making this mini machine ideal for mending, hemming, and basic sewing tasks. Choose between a foot pedal or auto sewing mode for added convenience. Set the sewing speed to either high or low according to your preference for hassle-free experience. Compact and portable, with the ability to run on AC/DC power, the small and portable machine offers flexibility, making it easy to take your sewing projects wherever you go. Beyond the aesthetic and functional variety of the stitches, the sheer portability of these mini machines is a game changer. Designed to be lightweight and compact, they are the perfect solution for individuals living in apartments, dorms, or homes with limited crafting space. Many models are engineered to be easily stored in a cabinet or closet and set up on a standard dining table in a matter of seconds. Some premium variants even come with a dedicated table set, which expands the flat workspace and provides additional stability during larger fabric handling, such as quilting or sewing long curtains. This combination of a tabletop design and lightweight portability ensures that your creative workspace is not limited to a single corner of your home, but can move wherever inspiration strikes. The user-friendly nature of the sewing machine electric with 12 stitch patterns cannot be overstated. Designed with both beginners and seasoned professionals in mind, these machines often incorporate automatic threading systems, adjustable tension dials, and built-in LED lighting. Good lighting is particularly crucial for detailed tailoring, as it eliminates eye strain during evening sewing sessions. Additionally, dual power options offer unparalleled convenience. Product link is given in the 27th link.